Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Thank you.
What's up? What's up? Good morning. What's up, guys? Good morning. What's up, guys? Today's a beautiful day and the climate is nice. You know, every day in the morning when you get up, you should be thankful for one thing, that you can breathe. That's the most important gift given by God, that you can breathe. If you can breathe, you can do many things in life. So when you get up in the morning, you feel so nice, you feel so beautiful about it. Wonderful. So let's start today's vlog. Again, I'm coming my normal morning routine, walking in the gardens. So the climate is pretty nice. Early morning. It is a little bit sunny because it is around 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's a nice feeling to get up early morning and go for a morning walk. I kind of got used to this now, and I'm feeling good about it. Good to start your day with a morning walk and feel energized. So there are so many things I can talk about today. Let's talk about cucumber. Why cucumber is so very important in your daily life. Now, the important aspect of cucumber. In fact, well, guys can go and do your research on Google, and if you don't believe what I'm saying, cucumber can get your sugar levels down. Yes. So if you have 2 cucumbers, big ones or medium size, just take it and chew it any time of the day. Maybe during the afternoon and before night, before you go to sleep in the night. Take 2 cucumbers, chew it. Trust me, daily do it for 1 month. It'll get your sugar levels down. You'll feel nice, you'll feel good. It will also help you to lose weight. And at the same time, it makes you feel full. So you don't have the feeling of eating or munching on crap stuff or junk stuff. So that's important about cucumber. It's a very good vegetable, a healthy vegetable. Now coming from cucumber, let's talk back about garlic. Why garlic is so important. I didn't talk much in detail last time. Well, garlic is very important to help you burn your cholesterol. It can help you prevent you from a heart attack and blockage. It can get your sugar levels down. It gets your calories down. I mean, it's one of the most powerful ingredients in life. It's called the king of medicine, garlic. And trust me, if you have 3 cloves of garlic, as I said before, cut them into small pieces and have them raw garlic. Maybe in the morning or night, you'll lose a lot of weight. Trust me on that. There you can see a cleaner. These are the guys who keep Dubai clean and really make it beautiful. They keep it so clean. Huh. I think quite some time I've been walking. I don't know how long, but I guess around 6-7 minutes. Should have completed 1 kilometer by now. Look at the tree, the yellow flowers, the birds. Good morning. Lot of greenery here. That's what makes this place a little bit different. Discovery Gardens. You feel so fresh in the morning while walking. It's a different feeling. In fact, they have a football court. I don't play football. And they have a tennis court. And it's absolutely free. So anyone interested in playing tennis can just go to the tennis court, pick up their racket and play. Isn't it so beautiful? You know, I've cut down totally on burgers. In fact, I've done a blog on burgers. That's purely for entertainment. I stopped consuming burgers, deli meats, sausages. Now deli meats are cocktail sausages or frankfurters. Your salami, your luncheon meat, those are called deli meats. In my previous video, I talked about cardamom and putting cumin seeds and lemon and making it hot and drinking. What happens is it helps you to lose weight. Not cardamom. Every time I make the mistake, I don't know why. Cinnamon sticks. They help you to lose your weight, and it helps you in a big way. You know, one good part about this location in Dictionary Gardens is you have a lot of supermarkets, mini supermarkets, like Al Madina. There's one below the building. Actually, every building has one supermarket. You have Flavors, another supermarket. So every building got their own supermarket, and that's what makes it so unique in the gardens. We have a clinic even called Active Clinic, Eye Care Clinic. So these clinics help the residents to improve. Good morning. They help the residents to avail the benefits, which is a good thing. I mean, in which place you'll have a supermarket below your building to do your grocery stuff, and pretty reasonable. You have hair salons. So today I put my wireless. Today I decided to take out my wireless headphones because I was fed up of putting the plug-in headphones. The wires are coming in the way of walking. So when I'm listening to music, I find it difficult to walk with the headphones. I actually feel like having filter coffee at the moment. I got cravings. Another very important tip. Most of y'all have your eggs with the yellow yolk half fried. It's very bad for health. Do you all know that? That can lead to cholesterol and heart problems. The best way is cut the yellow yolk, have 3 eggs, use only the white of the eggs, and use little oil and fry your eggs, but don't deep fry your eggs. Just the white of the eggs. You can add kasuri methi leaves on it, or even palak. So you're having a healthy breakfast, and have brown bread, but not the colored brown bread, the actual brown bread. So these few things can help you lose weight, help you be fit and strong, help you to feel nice. Have dark chocolate. That's the best. That's the best chocolate for the heart. Dark chocolate. That's 90% dark chocolate. Cocoa. It's very healthy. Google it. you'll come to know about dark chocolate. What a beautiful feeling garden gives you here. Discovery Gardens. Actually, it is called Discovery Gardens Furnished Apartments this side. It's pretty puzzling, the name, but we call it the gardens. You know, another important factor is how many calories we consume daily. So assume we consume 2000 calories. That includes our breakfast, then between snacks, lunch, evening snacks, and then your dinner. If it is 2500, the method or the formula is to get it down half or get it down at least to 800 calories a day. What this helps you to do is it actually helps you to control your cravings. It helps you to balance out your calories in your body, and you can lose weight. It's another quick way. It is not fasting, but it is helping you to prevent yourself from overeating. One aspect of maintaining your body and being healthy is stop eating a lot of junk. Stop eating stuff which will harm you. And you gradually learn about that in a matured way. I will talk about a very important factor which increases sugar levels, and that is fizzy drinks. I'm not naming any brands. Fizzy drinks, you all guys know what they are. Try to have fresh juices like orange juice, which has vitamin C in it. Why not have something that is beneficial to your body? Why not have cucumber juice? I know it's not so appealing. Basically what sugar does, it does a lot of stuff to your body. It even makes you feel so lazy. It manipulates the way you think.